Hi buddies! Today we'll talk about movement. I know that a lot of couples struggle with the movement. They want to move fast and don't waste a lot of energy. And why they waste a lot of energy? One of the main reasons, because they waste too much time in swing dances.
You waste energy and time
When they have lowering action. So what they're doing, I know when the kids start dancing, a lot of teachers explain that you need to lower and then you can move. Why they say that? Because kids don't understand how you can lower and move at the same time.
But you understand, obviously.
And usually when you want to explain them, they're just falling. But when you grow up, or if you're already smart to combine that, you need to do that. So what we're doing, we're lowering, but we put our heel on the floor and already start to continue bend our knees. And at the same time, we already move our free ball of the foot. As you can see, I'm not only moving my ball of the foot, I'm also shifting the whole back forward, and I have the weight between two legs, and I'm continue until I feel okay, I can't move ball anymore, and then I start to slide with my heel for a bit, and that's how I create the movement.
Try it by yourself.
And even if I go backward, I'm not like lowering and then go backward. I'm lowering, I put the heel on the floor, and at the same time I move my back backward, and my free leg, which is not free anymore, supporting my back, and I slide until I finish the step. So if we go close to the wall,
Where? Which wall?
it will look like we're not like lowering. You see, I'm sliding just down and then go. I already on the lowering, moving forward. And the same thing when I go backward. My knee is not moving even more forward and pushing to the wall. My thigh, my hip is going backward in my back. So that's why your knee is not moving forward a lot. Your whole structure is moving backward.
Dear God, everything's moving backward.
Because when you're going down and then only forward or backward, you just waste your time and you just waste your energy. Let's show the difference. You will go down, just straight down without any movement, down and then forward. Again, up, down, forward. First of all, it's not just like waste your time if you want to move, but also it doesn't look like a swing, because swing has diagonal line.
To swing or not to swing?
And it feels like you go down from the top of the mountain, so it's diagonally. When you go down and then you move, it looks like more like elevator. So you just go down and then you move. It's not even the right line. Okay, and let's try to combine lowering and moving. First of all, it's a lot more faster and it's a lot more easier. And also how we can do that when we're rising. For example, we're going to the side. We're not showing our toe and then moving our weight. We're showing our toe and you see our body is already moving.
Just move your body
Together. Yes. So that can really help you. On each step, just move your body, and your free leg is just free for a millisecond because it's already support your weight. Other thing that can help you, but it's like will be a little bit complicated, is like a hula hoop action.
Hula hoop.
Or centrifuge action. Teachers give like an exercise, the move when they ask you to dance your whole routine, but in a hula hoop or like a circle position. The rule is you cannot go into each other's space.
You're invading my dance space. This is my dance space.
And you need to have the equal circle during the whole frame. So if you choose that this is your volume, you cannot go closer or open your arms more. And I know for a lot of dancers, and for me too, it looks so much easier to move because we maintain the same volume. And for example, during the spins, let's do a lot of spins, we create a centrifuge action. So we actually feel that he is dancing a little bit outside, I'm dancing also a little bit outside, but it's not heavy. what happens when we dance together? We just forgot about that and we start to stick to each other, and instead of centrifuge we try to lean, and it's not actually helps. And you can ask how we can create this nice diagonal. Teachers say that we need to curve our body but still have this centrifuge action.
But is it possible?
What I can tell you, when you dance separately with volume, you also create this diagonal in your body. You stretch from your sternum, boys also do this little action, but you keep your core flat. That's the secret. If you will learn how to separate your sternum, but keep your core flat, and you see I'm not opening my stomach, so right now it's not flat. I keep it inside and I push it to the back, so like it's stuck to my spine, but I open my sternum, so it's like body isolation, which is super important. So you do the same thing when you dance separately, and you're not complaining that you dance in square, right? So that's what you need to do when you dance together. You need to imagine that you always have like a space between each other. Yeah, you create this diagonal, but you dance on your own feet. And let's do spins again. So I imagine that I have a centrifuge in my stomach. It's more like in your stomach, but your sternum create this diagonal. Okay, and let's do spins. Okay, that was very good actually. Okay, and how it works not on spins, for example, let's do Winnie's waltz. The partner who is going forward, he's creating a little resistance in the back. It feels that he put his core to the heel, but it's only core. The whole other structure is going forward.
It's not easy to do.
So I move my body, but my core is going backward. It's like super hard to understand, but you just need to try that. So, and I go for a millisecond resistance. So my partner is going already backward, he invites me. I also move, but move a little bit slower, just a little bit, that he can see that we have resistance. It's not like he's moving and I'm just staying on the place, okay? I'm also moving, but I create a resistance and then move. And that's give me an energy to move forward. Let's try again. So just invite and move, don't wait for me. And I move then. I would do Winnie's waltz. I tried to do spin turn. Okay, so he moved, then I'm right now moving forward. He actually gives me an opportunity to go around him. He moves also, but a little bit less than me. And I give him the energy to follow.
Energy.
If, for example, it's couple steps forward, like a following, he goes forward and he goes a little bit less, but still he moves his body. And then we will switch and he will give me the energy. So this energy works, who going forward, they move in their body, but they resist with their core and they move a little bit slower, little bit. That's the person in the beginning, that the person that going backward, because the person that is going backward, that person invites. For example, let's do natural turn. I'm inviting him and then he's moving faster. Oh my god. You see? Like big energy. huge energy. So yeah, it's like a resistant band, it's like elastic band, it's like stretching, and then boom! And it just flies.
Falling? Or am I flying?
That can really help you. Instead of just moving always equally, pum, 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 let's do Winnie's waltz, like boom, then him, then me, then him. Okay, super hard to show this in a tiny room, but just try it and I hope you will like that. And I know it's super hard, like move forward, but at the same time resist and don't move forward, and suck your core inside, but create a diagonal from your sternum. But that's a ballroom dance and you need to try it somehow. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you have some questions, let me know. I'll answer, I'll try my best. And I hope you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and see ya. I will do more videos. Well, I don't know what I'm telling, I'm just tired. Subscribe in order not to miss my new videos, because I'll have more videos and they're gonna be interesting, or I think that they're interesting. But if you like this video, that means that they're interesting for you also. Okay, bye bye.